What's up, guys? This is just a quick video I made up of me trying out my aluminum frame on my 2017 YZ250F. It's a real cool way to make your bike look like brand new, or make it almost look like a clean supercross bike. So me personally, I like that look, and some people really don't care, but it's all preference. So I pretty much just go through the steps, and it's kind of laggy, like jumpy, jump back and forth. Sorry for that if you like everything in order, sorry. But thank you for watching. Like and subscribe would be cool, and I'll be posting more videos. Thank you. Today we're gonna clean up this frame on this 2017 YZ250F, and I already took it to the car wash, washed it all up. So all we're really gonna do is Scotch-Brite it, and then put some aluminum polish on it, clean it all up, and then use a microfiber towel to wipe it off. And we're gonna just apply it with like a cloth or something. So I'll just probably do like a quick time lapse, that way I don't bore you guys too much. So let's get to it. And I'm only gonna go one way with the Scotch-Brite, kind of like with the frame, like I've seen other people on YouTube do. And while I'm at it here, I'm just going to do the shifter, because I can show you it's pretty bad too. So this is just after wiping it with the Scotch-Brite real quick. Makes a big difference, honestly. And you can tell the frame, it just totally cleaned it up. I do recommend doing it one way, because as you can see in the reflection, it just kind of it cleans it. It cleans it, but it's also kind of like putting streaks on there, which I'm pretty sure once I put that aluminum polish on, it'll just smooth it all out and take it away. Okay. So now I'm gonna do the swing arm, the rear swing arm. I'm only doing one side to show you guys pretty much what it's supposed to look like, and then I'll do the other stuff off camera, just because it takes a lot of time. And I don't want you guys to be watching like a super long video. Okay. Now I'm going to apply the alloy polish with this sock. I don't know if it's really that harmful or whatnot, so I'd usually be wearing gloves if I did this anywhere else, but since I'm doing it in my apartment, it'll be alright. So I'm only going to take a little bit. I'm just going to smooth it out throughout the whole frame. I think it's supposed to turn like a dark gray whenever you wipe it in and work it into the aluminum. I don't know if that's pulling out any oxides or what it's doing. I'm not sure. Not sure at all. But and you just want to make small circle motions. Alright, it's turning like a silverish gray color. I don't think this sock's like the best thing to use, because I don't know, it just seems like it's kind of wiping it off. Let me go find a cloth. So you can see, just from pulling all the oxides and just pulled like a bunch of grime off the frame. So I got these microfiber towels so I can just show you how dirty it is. Show you how dirty the, I don't know, aluminum is. So I'm just gonna wipe it off. It's like right there. That's just from wiping all the excess off. And honestly, it looks so much better just from getting all that off. So now we're gonna put some polish on. Put some polish on the shifter right here.